Allie Borealis here. Welcome to my channel and thanks for subscribing. I'm sending Christine at Girlio. Some of you may be subscribed to her channel already. If you're not, check her out. She does great jewelry unjarring and unboxings and thread up boxes and Goodwill blue boxes. And her channel's a lot of fun. I'm sending her a bag of jewelry that I put together, and I'm going to link her video when she unboxes it in the comments down below. She initially reached out to me because she wanted a pair of earrings from a Goodwill blue box that I had opened. So I figured I'd send her the earrings and a couple other things, and she could do a fun video on opening the bag. So I went through my jewelry stashes and got some pieces together for her and put it in a nice pretty bag and bundled it up to be sent out. No peeking! This jewelry bag is so gorgeous, and I was glad to send it to her. I got it all packaged up. Can't wait to watch Christine open it. If you want some hand-picked pieces, I'll send you all wearable pieces, shipping included in the prices, and I'll put it all in a cute bag. I'm doing $39.99 for 5 wearable pieces, shipping included, and $89.99 for 10 wearable pieces. At least one of the pieces will be branded, and at least one of the pieces will be sterling in the $89.99 bundle. If you'd like one, just send me an email at allieborrealischannel@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and check out Christine's video.